Chimpanzees are fascinating creatures known for their intelligence and complex social behaviors. One remarkable fact is their use of tools. They fashion sticks to fish termites from mounds or rocks to crack open nuts. Chimpanzees also exhibit distinct cultural behaviors, such as specific grooming rituals or methods of communication through gestures and vocalizations that vary between groups. Their genetic similarity to humans is striking, sharing about 98% of our DNA, making them our closest living relatives. Additionally, chimpanzees display empathy and compassion, comforting distressed group members and forming deep emotional bonds within their communities. These traits highlight their advanced cognitive abilities and rich social lives in the wild.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.